Over on the north side of the property by the gate, we've got the 2015 BMW i3 with the range extender, the Rex as it's called. This one I owned personally for a little while. Gets about 120 miles of range with the full gas tank, and it takes about 2.1 gallons of gas to fill up that gas tank. This might be the nicest lease return we've ever seen. It's a 2022 Kia Niro. It's got the 66 kilowatt hour battery, I believe, good enough for about 250 miles of range. Brand new Michelin's on this, 20,000 miles. This has lots of nice features. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, all that nice stuff. This is the Nissan Ariya. This is the Venture Plus, gets you about 310 miles of range. It's the base model, and it has the highest range. Nissan just decided to do it a little bit differently in terms of the trim packages. The lowest trim level gets you the highest amount of range, and then as you go up the trim levels, you get more performance, more luxury features. It's got 27,000 miles on it. Man, what a bargain, like less than half price. It's a 2024, by the way, for $21,000. Less than half price off MSRP. You might have heard tell of the Chevy Bolt. They brought every single one of these back, upgraded the ones that they had to upgrade, replaced batteries on ones they needed to replace. And there's a reason why the price is so low on this. It's $11,000 because it only has level 1 and level 2 charging. So that dead panel down there, that is where the CCS charging port usually is. On this one, it's just J1772. These drive super awesome, like crazy torquey. You just like light the tires up. This is another Ariya. This is a nicer one as far as I'm concerned. And the price kind of reflects it. It's also a 2024. This was a lease return. It was in very good shape. Sorry, Evolve Plus, right? 289 miles of range, and that's because they give it a little bit more power. They give it some more options that, you know, suck the battery down a little bit. But look at that gray, I love it. I have not grown tired of this color palette. I got a buddy who's been looking for a car, and he said he doesn't want a car that looks like a gumball. We've got a couple of gumball cars, the reds, the blues, the greens. I like gumball cars. I feel like those are coming back into vogue after everybody got tired of white cars and black cars and gray cars. This is the updated version of the Kia Niro. More room, it's got more features, it's more aerodynamic, more efficient. It's got the same pretty much drivetrain as the 22s, but it's got all kinds of neat features. We've got a full-length video on YouTube that Dylan did. So I'm saving this for last because I have owned a Mustang Mach-E for 4 years now, and it's been pretty much flawless. The only issue it's had, mine has 36,000 miles on it. It's a 2021, just like this one, but mine's all-wheel drive. This one's rear-wheel drive. The one flaw that these can have is the camera module for the front-facing camera. We just paid $2,400 to get that replaced. If we're selling one, it's gotta be 100%. I can't sell anything incomplete. Performance, awesome. This one's got heated seats. There's rear-wheel drive. It's got the self-driving, Ford's self-driving option, not turned on, but all the equipment is there. I think it's called like Blue Travel or something like that. I forget. What is it? I don't know. You can look it up. You know what? I'll put it in the note. It'll come crawling across the screen right now. Oh, look, there it is. There it comes. Okay. In any case, that's our electrics. We're seriously taking a deep dive into EVs because we believe in them. The reliability, the number of moving parts compared to an ICE car. I mean, abolish ICE as far as I'm concerned. Kidding. Maybe I'm not. Come on in and find out.